and my poem is called If Not Myself, I Have Not. My colorful backpack and childish tastes are a euphoric hodgepodge of my world. To be embarrassed of the things which bring you joy is a massacre of your smile and soul. My skin, decorated with pen, is kismet, and my head is held high as the top shelf was to my kid self. She told me she's embarrassed that she still likes Disney. I smiled and sang like Rapunzel. They told me they wished they could stop caring so much. I hoped, privately, that they could be more like me. If one is to be shamed for the act of being themselves, then throw your tomatoes all you like. I'll make pasta with red sauce for dinner and enjoy a nice big plate of it while dancing like a fool, making ripples in the lagoon of malarkey that you try to drown me in.